Hey Siri, turn on laptop charger and computer. Alexa, turn on table fan.
Okay.
Okay, guys, now open Google Chrome and type ESP Zero Code. Click this first link. You can log in here. I already have account, so I sign in. Okay, this is the main dashboard of this ESP Zero Code. You can view your saved products here. So now I'm going to create a new one. I'll click this and give a product name. So here you can choose a different template for different purposes. Here they give a predefined template for plug, retrofit switch, extension box, laundry washer, even refrigerator also they have. So in this tutorial I'm going to select this type because I use the indicator model as a WS2812. So if you have a different indicator like a normal LED means you can select this. Here I'm going to choose my ESP model. I'm using a ESP which mod type is room 32E. So I select this. To configure your device, you can able to configure via a graphical mode or a text mode. So text mode is way advanced, like you can configure new buttons or new relays. You can able to do here only because in graphical mode they restrict to according to the template only. Here you can able to select the GPIO pin where the input button is connected. So, and this is for the relay and this is for the LED. Okay, so in this tutorial I am going to demonstrate in text mode. So here ID defines component, so it is starting from 1000. So here type defines the button or relay. Okay, here you can add the GPIO number where the button is connected, and active level 0 means the push button is connected to ground. If it is 1 means the push button is connected to high. Same as here for the relay also. Here I can configure the LED type. In this tutorial I'm going to use WS2812, so I use this, and this is for the LED connection pin. So this is for the single button, single relay and single indicator. So now I already edited the text file. Here I'm going to replace with mine. So here I use one push button, one first relay, LED, push button 2, relay 2, and the push button 3, relay 3, push button 4, relay 4. Okay, so which will return high when it is in active state. Since I connect LED, so I configure to 1. If you have some low level relay means you can change here to 0. So here we going to assign which input is connected to which output. So here input 1000 is a push button which is controlling the output 1001 device. Here the input mode is 0 means push button, 1 means rocker switch. Rocker switch is nothing but a on off switch. Okay, you can choose any one of these. So this is for remaining 3 button and 3 outputs. So after that you're going to select save and validate. So now the configuration is saved. You can scroll down and click next step. Here you can select test your product now. So click connect your device to get started button. So it will give some pop-up here. So now I'm going to connect my ESP32. So now it is connected in the COM port 31. If you don't see this means you can check in device manager for the COM port. So after click this, you can press the boot button in your ESP32. So now the device is recognized. It will generating the firmware. So now the firmware is flashing. It will show a matter QR code. So using this you're going to connect the device to the Apple Home or Alexa, Google, whatever. So save this code. Then after flashing, indication LED is going to breathe in this pattern, which is meant for setup is started successfully. So now you are going to pair using that QR code. After that you're going to open the home app and add accessories. Now you're going to scan that QR code. After scanning this, the LED color is changed to yellow, which indicates the device is now try to pair with your home network. That's it guys, now the connection is successfully completed. After that you're going to choose the location where the device should be placed. I can give any name here. You can rename the socket names. Alright, now I'm going to test these guys. Table fan, TV, laptop charger, and the computer. Okay, everything is working as expected, guys. Now I demonstrate with buttons. If you click the push button means it will even respond to the push button, as well as it will give the feedback on the phone as well. Now I'm going to test with Siri, guys. Okay. Turn off table fan. Okay. Turn on laptop charger and computer. Okay, now I'm going to tell you how we can pair this with Alexa. Here you click turn on pairing mode, then copy the code. You can open the Alexa application. You need to add the device. Now select connect your meta device. Click next. Yes. Try numerical code and paste the code here. Yes. So now the Alexa is looking for the device. Now my device is already in the pairing mode. Okay, please try to connecting your device. It's taking quite long. Now it's connected. The 4 component device is connected. Now the Alexa is going to set up these. I'm going to rename this as meta device. And you can select the room and add to the group. Okay, continue. So I'm going to rename all of the plugs. Now the last one, I'm going to write this as table fan. I'm going to test this. Alexa, turn on table fan.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on laptop charger.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off table fan.
Okay.
So that's it, guys. I'm going to end this video right now because it is taking too much time. So I'm going to end this. If you want to connect the relay means the only place you have to change is the text file. Here that relay position, you have to change the active level to 0. So that's it. You don't have to make any changes. This text file is work perfectly. So other than that, if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. And if you are like the video, means give thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And until next video, this is Sarvs signing off. See you. Bye bye.